What is the meaning of the Beatitudes? One of Jesus' first teachings comes from the Sermon on the Mount. Crowds followed him into the countryside to listen, after he had performed many miracles throughout the Galilee region. Jesus opened his mouth and began his teaching with the Beatitudes, saying, "Blessed are the poor in spirit, for theirs is the kingdom of heaven. Blessed are those who mourn, for they shall be comforted. Blessed are the meek, for they shall inherit the earth. Blessed are those who hunger and thirst for righteousness, for they shall be satisfied. Blessed are the merciful, for they shall receive mercy. Blessed are the pure in heart, for they shall see God. Blessed are the peacemakers, for they shall be called sons of God. Blessed are those who are persecuted for righteousness' sake, for theirs is the kingdom of heaven. Blessed are you when others revile you and persecute you and utter all kinds of evil against you falsely on my account. Rejoice and be glad, for your reward is great in heaven, for so they persecuted the prophets who were before you." But what does this mean? How does it apply to us today? The Beatitudes are the very heart of God's kingdom. They reveal the essence of the gospel of Jesus Christ. They also prepare us for life in a world that often rejects or despises the righteous. The Lord is near to the brokenhearted and saves the crushed in spirit. Paul reinforces this truth in his letter to the Corinthians. "For consider your calling, brothers. Not many of you were wise according to worldly standards. Not many were powerful. Not many were of noble birth. But God chose what is foolish in the world to shame the wise. God chose what is weak in the world to shame the strong. God chose what is low and despised in the world, even things that are not, to bring to nothing things that are, so that no human being might boast in the presence of God." These passages reveal the love, righteousness, and justice of the one true God. They show that God values the humble, the meek, and the lowly, not according to worldly standards, but according to his kingdom. The goal for a Christian is to embrace these qualities, to be humble, meek, merciful, and pure in heart. By doing so, we find favor with God and reflect his kingdom on earth. Jesus continues his teaching with two powerful metaphors. "You are the salt of the earth, but if salt has lost its taste, how shall its saltiness be restored? It is no longer good for anything except to be thrown out and trampled under people's feet. You are the light of the world. A city set on a hill cannot be hidden, nor do people light a lamp and put it under a basket, but on a stand, and it gives light to all in the house. In the same way, let your light shine before others, so that they may see your good works and give glory to your Father who is in heaven." Salt purifies, preserves, and adds flavor. It is essential for life. Light illuminates, guides, and brings life to our world. In the same way, Christians are called to embody truth, love, justice, and humility. These qualities are essential to spiritual life. Yet just as too much salt can taste bitter, and too much light can blind the eyes, people often resist God's truth, mercy, or justice when it exposes sin or challenges pride. Still, if we fail to embrace these qualities, we become like salt that has lost its flavor or a lamp that has been hidden. We would risk being thrown out and trampled underfoot. In that place, there will be weeping and gnashing of teeth. And to those who lose their salt, Jesus offers a word. "I know your works. You are neither cold nor hot. Would that you were either cold or hot. So because you are lukewarm and neither hot nor cold, I will spit you out of my mouth. For you say, I am rich, I have prospered, and I need nothing, not realizing that you are wretched, pitiable, poor, blind, and naked. I counsel you to buy from me gold refined by fire, so that you may be rich, and white garments so that you may clothe yourself, and the shame of your nakedness may not be seen, and salve to anoint your eyes, so that you may see. Those whom I love I reprove and discipline, so be zealous and repent. Behold, I stand at the door and knock. If anyone hears my voice and opens the door, I will come into him and eat with him, and he with me. If this video helped you understand the word, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Bible explainers.